What a beautiful birdie! Hey everyone! And welcome to Coloring with KiMMi the Clown! Today we're going to be coloring in my big Crayola coloring book! I've got my giant box of markers here, so let's get started! Okay, so today I'm going to color this picture of a cute bird. Let's start on its face first. Let's color in its beak and feet orange. And let's make its belly yellow. And let's color in the tips of its tail feathers yellow and red. And let's color in the rest of its feathers blue. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this bird. Next, let's color in the stuff in the background. Let's make this tree over here dark brown with green leaves. And let's make the grass at the bottom green. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so pretty. I love all the different colors of the bird's feathers. This little birdie is just the cutest. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. This little birdie looks totally adorable. Have a fun day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Crayola coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys, bye!